Hi everyone, my name is Colin Cortes. I'm a 4th grade student. For my science project, I'm going to do a video presentation of how static electricity works at home. And I'm going to make use of these materials, all using the scientific method. I'm going to use a balloon, water, styrofoam plate, and a circle, plastic, pieces of paper, and my hair. What is static electricity? Have you ever touched a doorknob and you felt a shock? That is static electricity. What is static electricity? Static electricity is an imbalance of electric charges within or on the surface of a material. Static is from the Latin word statica, which means to stand or be firm. And the word electricity is from the Phoenician word electron, which means shining light. A supreme example of static electricity is lightning. That is a huge amount of static electricity. At home, we can create static electricity by rubbing two objects together. How does it work? Let me explain. As we all know, all matter is made up of atoms. Each has equal numbers of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons have positive charge, neutrons have no charge, while electrons have a negative charge. Protons and neutrons are tightly packed in the nucleus of the atom, while the electrons are on the outside and are more mobile, which means when two objects make contact, the electrons move, while the protons and neutrons just stay where they are. Static electricity happens when two objects rub against each other. The electrons from the first object move to the second object, making it negatively charged. Since the first object lost its electrons, it is not positively charged. Opposite charges attract, while like charges repel. Let us now try to reproduce static electricity using these experiments. First experiment is, I'm going to rub the balloon against my hair and make my hair stick to the balloon. Wow. Why did my hair stick? Electrons from my hair went to the balloon, making the balloon negatively charged, while my hair remained positively charged since it lost its electrons, but its protons remained. There's a saying that opposites attract, right? Hair positive, balloons negative. Second experiment. I'm going to magnetize the paper to the balloon. Whoa! Whoa! Why did the pieces of paper stick? Electrons from the paper pieces went to the balloon, making the balloon negatively charged, while the papers remained positively charged since it lost its electrons, but its protons remained. There's a saying that opposites attract, right? Paper's positive, balloons negative. Third experiment, I call it moving plastic. Why did the plastic move away from the balloon? Well, the plastic moved away because I rubbed the balloon on my hair, which transferred negative charge to the balloon. Well, the plastic is also negatively charged because electrons from my hair went to the plastic. For the experiment, I call it waving water. Why did the water move toward the balloon? Well, the water moved toward the balloon because I rubbed the balloon on my hair, which transferred negative charge to the balloon. While the water is positively charged, opposites attract. Fifth experiment, I call it the flying saucer. I'm going to use this and my hair. Whoa. Whoa. I had no tape. Why did the plates move away from each other? Well, the plates moved away from each other, making it look like it's flying because I rubbed my hair on the styrofoam plates, making them both negatively charged. Wow, those experiments were cool. I finally learned what static electricity is. I want to thank God for inventing electricity and making all these things possible. I want to thank Miss Huntley for giving me and my class the science project. It gave us a chance to study the wonders of science. I want to thank my dad for helping me research about static electricity in detail and being my director, the executive producer, as well as cameraman in this video. I want to thank my mom for being the co-producer and my brother who are in the Philippines taking a vacation. They're always supporting me and praying for my studies. So guys, the next time you see a lightning bolt in the sky, feel a shock, or when your hair sticks to plastic, that is static electricity. Thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye!